Alright, hey y'all, hey. I am back from work. I went to Home Goods and got a few things. I got these. I don't even know how you open them. I don't know how you open them. But yeah, it's some chocolate chip cookies in here. Y'all know I bought it just for the gingerbread. I got two of those. They was on sale for $5. And then I got me some body scrub with a body brush, the scrubber. And last, I got my babies some chopsticks so she can chop it up with her Chinese food she loves. That's all I got for today. I ain't got nothing. I ain't did nothing today. But yeah, that's it. Alright, y'all. I'm just about to put my cookies in here before I make me something to eat. I'm starving. These came out the gingerbread house I got from Home Goods. Get them glow. Get them glow. Get them glow. That's what I looked on her and Cardi B and Megan. I said, go, glow. Get them glow. Get them glow. It is almost filled. Oh, where the lid? This plastic. I know you lying. The plastic all the way at the bottom. I'ma get it. I'ma get it, Kira. Oh my God. Y'all, just wait a minute. I'm gonna make me an egg for dinner. I'm tired. So I'll put some cream cheese on it. It's gonna be so good. I should have made me a cup of tea. Good morning guys. I want to show you guys the new toothpaste I got from TikTok Shop. It comes like this. And it has the little plastic lid on it. So we're going to see how it works. They tell you no kids, and then they tell you to use it 4 times a week only. Yes, I like both of those. Or some rolls would be cool too. These would be fine. Which one is that? All right, y'all. Good morning. Good morning. Well, good afternoon. We just got back from the store. I wanted to show you my little grocery haul. So what I got from Aldi's, I got some traditional pasta sauce. I got 2 bags of garlic knots. 2 bags for dinner. Clancy white cheddar popcorn and kettle chips, avocado oil, and Himalayan salt. I got some vegetable oil, and I got some cod. Hey guys, that is my haul. I'm about to put this stuff up, and then I'm going to straighten up my kitchen and living room before I can cook dinner, okay?
There you go, popping up in my head again. You don't have to tell me I should let it go. What you mean to me, no, you will never. I must say it's bittersweet.